In this video, we're going to go over the GME short squeeze. Is this the GME moment that we've been waiting for? GME is all the way from $18 up to $28 today on March 22nd, 2023. Okay, GME is a stock that we called out in our Discord. Okay, this morning actually we called it out at about $26. It went all the way to $28. Pure money. It's an easy $2,000, and it's all called out in the Discord. So make sure to join that. Link in the description. Quick update on TRKA. If you guys didn't watch that video, make sure you watch it because boy did it help you save a lot of money. TRKA. A lot of people were saying it was going to short squeeze today on March 22nd. But we were right. TRKA actually didn't short squeeze. I warned you not to buy TRKA yesterday. I told you to buy 3 other stocks instead of TRKA, not financial advice, right? This video is for educational purposes only, but I said that TRKA, don't buy it until you watch this video. And in the video, I give a warning against TRKA. What happened to TRKA? It dumped 15% today. It didn't short squeeze. It went the opposite way. Down, right? We don't want a stock to go down. That's how we lose money. Fortunately, we're able to get our friend Super King 999 in the Discord. We're able to save him a lot of money on this stock. So right here it says, my man, I would definitely sell TRKA. And I tell him it's not financial advice, right? But I would definitely sell it. And he's like, all right, I just sold TRKA. Dude saved himself 15% in losses. That's $1,500 in savings if he was trading with 10K. So we saved everyone with our video. Technically, I sold TRKA a long time ago when TRKA went from 90 cents all the way down to 15 cents now. So if you're a subscriber of the channel, you literally save so much money. That's why it's so important to be subscribed to this channel, because I will tell you before a stock dumps, and that will save you tens of thousands of dollars. This channel is designed to save you as much money as possible, like we saved you on Bed Bath & Beyond, TRKA, and HUBC. Other traders, well, they could help you, they could not. I do want to give Moon Market credit that he usually gives some kind of disclaimers, but unfortunately, because he likes to call out stocks like NVOS and TRKA, which are stocks that dump very quickly and stocks that are not suitable for new investors, I do think that some of the stock calls that he makes are more harm than good. That being said, be careful, guys, because there are traders who are out there who will manipulate you in order to take your money and facilitate the transfer of your money, okay, from you to the banks. And so that's why they call out these penny stocks like HUBC, so they can basically take your money and give it to the banks, and the banks pay them for this. And that's why these traders do it. That's why on YouTube you'll see a stock called out and then it goes down, because they're paid, basically the traders are paid to talk about the stock and get you to buy the stock so that your money will go into the banks. And that's really sad, but that's why we're so popular as a trading channel, because we are the one channel that's actually on your side. We're the one channel that will actually tell you which stocks are actually going to go up, and that was never more true than today. On March 22nd, every single stock we called out in yesterday's video went up. ONON, CMAX, every single trade went up. Mr. 305 here with his $2,000 profit, and he told me, your system is the best that I've ever seen in my opinion, and I've been trading for 5 years. So if that wasn't enough for you guys, make sure to join the next live trading session we're having next week. We actually traded all of these winning trades live in the stock market, and other stock ONON. So that one you guys could have gotten as well at around $27 if it comes up to the profit target at $27.67. So $27.67 is the sell point for ONON. All right, and that's not this to sell all shares, but rather it's to sell a lot of shares, and then $27.82 is going to be the next profit target there. If you actually look at our stock ONON, we have this one up about 10% from our entry, already up to $29.23, and we didn't lose a single trade today. If you guys are ready to make that kind of money, I need to see you guys in the pro group, and I look forward to seeing you there. So you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. And we're going to do that again next Wednesday at market open, March 29th. Sign up in the Discord. Will GME go up even more? That's the question. In this video, not only are we going to talk about GME, but we're going to go over how you can trade GME, and that's going to help you be a more successful trader. So I'm super excited. If you like videos where you learn what stocks are going to go up before they go up, make sure to drop a like, and let's get right. Here we are live in the stock market, taking a look at our friend ONON. This is the stock we called out yesterday. Just in case you didn't know, ONON went all the way from our buy-in price in our live session from $27 all the way up to $29.27. So it's up over $2 a share in the first 30 minutes of the trading day. We sold it at the top, and congratulations to everyone who traded it with us. GME is the stock that we're going to look at today. GME is actually a stock that we traded in the pre-market today on March 22nd and made some serious money. Once the stock started to dump, we had a secondary entry here around $23, which ironically is around the level which we want to look at GME next. So if GME can hold $23 and it stays around $23, then GME can technically be a good trade still. Basically, we want to look at the balance between the buyers and the sellers. So the buyers and the sellers, they're constantly in a battle, and so you have to keep track of which side is winning in order to determine whether the trade will actually work or not. So you wonder how I called over 100 short squeezes in the last year. It's because I am able to accurately determine whether the buyers or sellers are in control in any given trading situation. So in the case of GME, it's fairly balanced. I think GME can definitely rally more, but I could also see GME pulling back to about $22 before it really starts to take off. That's why I would technically sell GME before it hits $25. Anywhere from $23.47 to as high as $24.85. So that's where I would sell most of my GME. In terms of buying GME, I would try to buy it close to $23, maybe buy at $22. But if the stock goes below $22, then I'm going to have to lose my faith in GME, and I'm going to sell it at $21.50, which is where I have my stop loss. So GME can technically still rally, but I wouldn't call it the best trade in the world. I would be very careful when trading a stock like GME because there's no guarantee that this stock can rally from where it's at right now, but I will say that it's fairly strong in terms of the overall strength of a stock. There are stocks like TRKA where they say it's going to short squeeze, where clearly it's probably not going to happen. With GME, if they say it's going to squeeze some more, then I actually think it can squeeze some more if you're able to buy the shares from $22 to about $23 at the most, and then I would sell before it comes to $25. That's the very important thing as well. Again, not financial advice, but if you want to make money, then you have to make sure to trade like a professional. This video is going to help you stop being a bag holder and stop losing money on stocks like TRKA and HUBC and NBOS and start making money on stocks like GME and any stock that we call on this channel. So long as you trade it the way that you're trading it, then you're probably going to make money. All right, that's how most of the traders become successful in our Discord. So again, make sure that you join that Discord because we won 3 out of 3 trades in the Discord. Every single stock that we called out yesterday, you can watch the video right here, went to the moon and hit our profit targets, especially ONON, which I showed you earlier today. GME can squeeze some more if you're able to get it at a good price, but make sure to use a stop loss. I would put one at $21.47 and watch the stocks on this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss another trade, and join the Discord because if you are ready to make serious money in the Discord, you can actually send me a DM message and join our inner circle where you can take every single one of my trades. These trades on Discord, on the free Discord, are just the tip of the iceberg. Our pro trades are so much better. So I hope to see you there soon and have a fantastic day.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?